Good morning, children. This is your EVS book of 10, page number 16. Now see, listen carefully. All of us need a house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. It also acts as a shield against animals and thieves. Children, we live in a house and it keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind, and also from wild animals, thieves also. If there is no house, we can't tolerate hot sun, heavy rain, and we will not safe from animals and thieves. So house is very important for everybody where we live safely. Types of houses. Now we will know types of houses. We can see different types of houses everywhere. People build permanent or temporary houses according to their needs. We build a house according to our needs. That can be permanent or temporary both. Permanent houses. Kacha houses are permanent houses built in village. These houses are made up of straw, bamboo, mud and wood. These houses are not very strong. For example, hut. Children, you can see, I think you have seen in a village there is a kacha house that is made of bamboo, straw, mud, wood, but these houses are not very strong. Example of kacha house is hut. You can see hut is here. This is made of straw, mud, wood, bamboo. This is a kacha house. People got the idea build kacha houses from early men. Early men lived in caves made up of mud and stones. You have read already in class first about early men. They lived in a caves that is made of mud and stones. In the same manner, people got idea from there and they also made their houses, kacha houses, with the help of mud, straw, bamboo, etc. Now, see about pakka house. Pakka houses are also permanent houses built in cities and towns. You have seen already lot of pakka houses that is made of that are very strong. The pakka houses are very strong and they are permanent houses. A lot of houses you can see in cities and towns. They are very strong houses. They are made up of bricks, cement, iron, wood and steel. For example, bungalow, flat, apartment. You have read in class first already about pakka houses. Pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron, wood. These things are used to make pakka houses. And example of pakka houses are bungalow, flat, apartment. And nowadays you are living in that house that is also called pakka house. Temporary house. Tent and karma are temporary houses. Temporary houses are those houses that we made for some time. If we made them for very short time if we have need. If we have no need, we can remove that. That are temporary houses. That are tent and karma are temporary houses. A tent is made of cloth. We have seen house or tent. House or tent that is made up of cloths. If need is there, you can make of cloths a tent. If you have no need, you can remove that. Karma is a small house built on a wooden platform on wheels and driven by an ox, a horse, a camel or buffalo. Karma is also a temporary house and people made on a wooden platform that is move on wheels and drives by a ox, an ox, a horse, a camel, or buffalo. Temporary houses are tent, karma. Pakka houses are bungalow, flat, apartment. Kacha houses, example like kacha house, hut. Kacha house is made up of straw, bamboo, mud and wood. Pakka houses are made up of brick, cement, iron, wood and steel. And temporary houses are made up of cloths and wooden platform driven by an ox, a horse, a camel or buffalo. People who help in building the house. Who are they who help us in building the house? Architect, plumber, painter, mason, carpenter, electrician. These people help us to build our house. Now see, what is the architect? An architect makes a plan for the house. Which type of house do you want? What will be made of your house? How many do you want? How many rooms do you want? In which side kitchen will be there? Drawing room, store room, bedroom. So you will say your plan, and according to that architect will plan your house. Okay. Now a plumber. A plumber fixes the pipes and taps. Suppose that water supply is not proper, there is any problem in taps or pipes, then we will call a plumber. See, he is a plumber. He is fitting this. A painter. If you want to paint your house, we will call a painter. See, a painter paints the house. In this picture you can see a painter is painting. You have seen already in your house, in your school, a painter always paints the house or building. A mason. A mason lays bricks and cement to build the walls of the house. If you want to make your house, if you want to make ready, then we will call a mason. And mason will lay bricks. See here, he is doing here, and cement to build a house, walls of house. A mason will build that. A carpenter. To make furnitures, windows, doors of our houses, windows of our houses. Who will do it? Who will make it? A carpenter. See, you can see in picture, a carpenter makes the doors, windows, the cupboards. It is the work of carpenter. If there is need to make windows, doors, cupboard, any type of furniture work, then you will call a carpenter. Electrician. An electrician fits wires, sockets, fans, lights, etc. in the house. Children, you have seen already. If you have any problem, your fan is not working properly, your TV is not working properly, lights are not proper there, then you will call a electrician. You can see an electrician fits wires, sockets, fan and lights, etc. in the house. Listen again. People who help in building the house. Architect, who plan the map of your house. A plumber, who fix the pipes and taps. A painter, paints the house. A mason, lays bricks and cement to build the walls of the house. A carpenter makes the doors, windows and cupboard. An electrician fits wires, sockets, fans, lights, etc. in the house. In this way you can see these people help our in building the house. Here, unscramble the names of different types of houses. See, some letters are given here. We will make of this a meaningful word. See, written here UST. No meaning of this. We will unscramble them. H-U-T, hut. What is hut? Hut is a kacha house. Number 2, C. A-A-C-R-V-N-A. No meaning of this. Now, C. We will write here Carvan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Carvan. Write here in this way. Number 3, G-A-B-N-U-O-L-W. It will be bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. L-A-F-T. Write in proper way. F-L-A-T. Flat. P-A-R-A-M-T-N-E-T. But here will be apartment. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Apartment. E-N-T-T. Here will be tent. T-E-N-T. These are different types of houses. Write in this way. See the spelling carefully and write in correct way. See here. Everyone likes to live in a neat and clean house. So we must keep our things at their proper place. 2 pictures are given here. Which picture you will tick here? See and do. How would you keep your room? Which type of room do you like? Where things are kept in proper way, that room, or things are here and there? See, this boy, he is keeping all things here and there. His room is not looking good. But see, this girl is keeping all things at their proper place and her room is looking very good. So we will tick here because this room is very beautiful and nice, neat and clean. Tick here. Bungalow. What is bungalow? A house built on one level without stairs. That is called bungalow. Carvan. A house on wheels driven by ox, horse, camel, etc. This is carvan. Architect. A person who makes designs of buildings. It is architect.